everyone, my name is Saravanan Dhandapani and welcome to my course Perform Index Management Tasks in Kibana. I'm a solution architect working in the financial domain focused on end-to-end design and architecture. When your corporation relies on Elasticsearch for dashboarding, visualizing, and alerting, the underlying clusters, nodes, and indices must be designed and managed well. In this course, you will learn how to achieve scalability, reliability, and high throughput using Elasticsearch clusters, nodes, indices, shards, and replicas. You will learn about Elasticsearch analyzers and inverted indices and how they help you transform an unstructured document into a fast searchable JSON document. Explore how explicit and dynamic field mappings work in enforcing a structure to your data. Understand the index lifecycle operations and learn how to manage the indices. Finally, you will learn how to perform data backup using Elasticsearch, snapshot, and restore process. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and the knowledge of managing the Elasticsearch clusters and indices that are essential to develop high-performing queries. I hope you will join me on this exciting journey and learn how to effectively manage your indices in my course, Perform Index Management Tasks in Kibana at Pluralsight.